Hi everyone, it is very important to draw the face of the human being because of the innervation of the face, facial artery. So you will see, first you will draw this like this, that is a tangent, then there is a bend, then you will do the nose, then you will do the lip like this, then you will do the chin, and you extend the chin, and this is the throat. And in this way you can do the ear, and this is the human being, you will see. So if there is, you have to draw the muscles of the face, the main muscles of the face, that is the orbicularis, oculi, you see that is a circular muscle. Here you will draw the zygomaticus major. Here you should draw the masseter, and during clenching of the teeth you can feel the masseter. Here you will do the orbicularis oris, and this is the orbicularis oris. You can do the blowing of the conch by means of this orbicularis oris. And there is another muscle which is here, that is known as the temporalis muscle. Here there is the mentalis. Here there is the corrugator superciliaris. And in this portion there is no bony attachment, but the frontalis muscle is there. So thank you everyone.